Hello viewers, be sure to subscribe first time viewers our channel. Today I must tell you a good festival to be celebrated in our village. So friends, if you watch this video in its entirety, you will understand what festival we are celebrating here. It is the one of the enjoyment all farmers. Farmers sow seeds in their crop fields at this time. So all the farmers come together for this festival celebrating. So farmers paint the bulls they have with them in this festival. Similarly, farmers give off of their cooked food to cattle during this festival. These festivals are where the farmers pray to the god that the crops they plant will come out very well. So in this time, the same way the people of their village are also pray to the god of that to be happy during this festival. In this way, the farmers decorate their cattle with beautiful colors. The main purpose of this festival is to make the farmers happy to harvest their crops and get good returns. One thing in this festival, friends, during this festival, the farmers cook good dishes in their homes. After the cattle are decorated, the family members eat the food that the farmers have previously cooked and put it on the cattle. After the farmers, the cattle that are near them are brought to God and roamed around the temple. Friends, during this festival, the villagers greet each other with great joy and happiness. As you can see in this video, the farmers are hitting another rope with a rope they have. In this way, the farmers roam around with the oxen and the rope is cut so far that it is beaten. Friends, one more thing in this festival, whoever is going to cut this one rope is going to be declared the winner. This is the main aim of this festival. There are also rules not to use any other items in this competition. There are also rules not to use any other items in this competition like sticks, iron rods, knives, and big ropes don't use in this competition. Whoever participating in this festival, farmers celebrate many such festivals and live their lives happily. If you celebrate similar festivals in your village too, write yes in the comment box or no. The senior full moon as a special place because on this day the farmers start farming and worship the earth. Just Purnima, also Eruvaka Pournami. It is the tradition of the Indians to worship the Pancha Mahabhuta, nature as a deity. We measure the earth as the earth mother. Agriculture is the livelihood for our survival. Agriculture is a yajna. It is an age-old custom to worship the earth before the start of agricultural work. The first dukki ploughing in the fields is called Eruvaka. Eru is said to be the beginning of tying the oxen to the plough. At the beginning of in the rainy season on the morning of Jyeshtha Purnima, the farmers wash the oxen and paint the horns, decorate the goats and bells, and worship the earth and oxen with the incense of offerings. Special pujas are performed for the bulls, and the bulls are fed. They go to the fields and worship the earth. The bulls were then adorned with colorful and varied clothes and paraded with the drums and choirs. Oxen are given Ayurvedic medicines and oils to prevent them from contracting infectious diseases.